I'm Shay Russell for mining.com.au, and joining me from the floor at PDAC in Toronto is Sean Delaney, the Managing Director for Olympio Metals. Sean, thank you so much for being here. How are you?
Very good, thanks, Shay. Thanks for having me on.
I'm thrilled to have you on, and I believe that Olympio Metals has been up to quite a bit over the past few months. Can you sort of elaborate on what you've been doing?
Yeah, we have. Yeah, we've just acquired the Bousquet Project in near Val-d'Or on the Cadillac Break, which we announced just last week. So I've just come back from Val-d'Or. I was up there visiting Explologic, our exploration consultants there, and we had a trip down to Rouyn-Noranda to have a look at the core from the previous drilling there, which was very worthwhile exercise. We basically go down the highway, which pretty much runs through the project. The access is amazing. So that was very interesting to just get my foot on the ground, if you like. Now it's a bit cold up there at the moment, so a lot colder than it is in the bush in Australia. But anyway, it's great to be there. And now I'm back in Toronto. We've got the booth here at PDAC. So.
I'm just going to pull on a thread on something you said there. You said Val-d'Or. Now, what would that be like? Obviously, Australia is a mining country. What would Val-d'Or in Canada be like, or comparable to in Australia?
Well, look, I mean, it's Kalgoorlie. It's Kalgoorlie of Quebec. 100%. It's 1 hour out of Montreal. The mines are on the edge of town. Everyone's driving 4-wheel drives. All the service are there. The drillers we're using are from there. It's Cal. It's amazing. Yeah. So it's well set up for exploration and mining in that region. So there's lots of available mines, nearby the project. So yeah, look, we just that's why we like it. We love the Cadillac Break. There's 100 million ounces of gold in various mines along there. All the services are there. Still underexplored in an Australian context, we think. So yeah, it's Cal, basically.
Local mining infrastructure is so important to getting these projects off the ground. Now, I know when we go to conferences, often there seems to be a common question, a similar question that people keep asking each year. What is one of the key questions investors are asking you about Olympio Metals?
Well, I mean, interestingly, we've been meeting some of our neighbours. Agnico Eagle are around us, IAMGOLD, Radisson, who are developing the O'Brien's mine. So really, it's just about when are you starting drilling? Are you going to work those claims? They're I think the Canadians have suffered from not having enough capital to do exploration. So yeah, so I think they're the most common question. And obviously, gold is good, right? Gold is the theme here. Gold is the feel on the ground. So gold and copper. So we're happy to be in that area. But yeah, it's mostly about just when are you drilling, which we're planning to drill at Dufay, which is our copper gold project a bit further to the west. So we're just going through the final approvals. So we're planning to drill there very, very shortly. As soon as we're ready to go, as soon as we get those approvals.
Well, that basically takes me to my next question. There's nothing quite like a junior explorer spending money by putting holes in the ground. What's the news flow going to be over the next few months for Olympio Metals?
Well, as I said, that drilling at Dufay, we have this really interesting IP target, coincident EM IP target at Dasaray. We've got drilling planned at Chevrier, which is a high-grade copper on the surface project. So drilling there very soon. We'll obviously have results from that coming. And then Bousquet, we've got to bed this acquisition down. We just have to do a formal agreement. But we've already started the process. Dave Bebbington, his geology brains, has been working on some drilling targets. We've already sort of had talks with Explologic, and we've started the approval process. So as soon as we get that project bedded down, we'll be looking to get a rig on the ground out there as well.
Listen, Sean, thank you so much for being here today. I know it is a busy conference, so I will let you get back to it. It was great talking to you, and I completely agree with you. It is a good time to be in gold.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Shay. Appreciate it.